Ever feel like your financial institution just doesn't quite get you? Like you're navigating a maze of fees, jargon, and impersonal service? You're not alone. In a sea of banks, credit unions, and online platforms, it's easy to feel like your financial needs are just another number. But what if there was a different approach? What if your financial partner actually prioritized you? Think about the last time you needed support from your bank. Did you speak to a real person who understood your situation, or did you get lost in an automated system? Were you offered solutions tailored to your specific goals, or were you presented with generic, one-size-fits-all products? These experiences often leave us feeling disconnected and, frankly, a little frustrated. The financial landscape is vast and varied, each institution claiming to offer the best service, the lowest rates, or the most innovative technology. So, how do you cut through the noise? How do you identify a financial partner that truly stands out? That's the question we're diving into today. We're going to explore what makes a financial institution truly different, and more specifically, we're going to take a deep dive into BluPeak and what sets it apart from the crowd. Now, you might be thinking, another financial institution claiming to be different? What's so special this time? And that's a fair question. The truth is, many institutions offer similar products, checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and investment options. So, the real differentiator often lies not just in what they offer, but how they offer it and the values that underpin their entire operation. At its core, BluPeak operates on a fundamental principle: people first. It's not just a catchy slogan, it's woven into the very fabric of their organization. This manifests in several key areas that distinguish them from traditional financial institutions and even some of the newer fintech players. Let's start with the human element. In an increasingly digital world, where interactions are often reduced to chatbots and automated responses, BluPeak places a significant emphasis on providing personalized service. Imagine being able to connect with a dedicated financial advisor who takes the time to understand your unique circumstances, your aspirations, and your challenges. This isn't about a quick transaction, it's about building a long-term relationship based on trust and mutual understanding. Whether you have a complex financial planning question, need guidance on a loan application, or simply want to understand your account better, you'll have access to knowledgeable professionals who are genuinely invested in your financial well-being. This level of personal attention is a stark contrast to the often impersonal experiences at larger, more bureaucratic institutions. Beyond personalized service, BluPeak prioritizes transparency. How often have you felt confused by hidden fees or complex terms and conditions? Financial products can often be opaque, making it difficult to truly understand where your money is going and what you're paying for. BluPeak is committed to clear and straightforward communication. They believe in empowering their members with the information they need to make informed decisions. This means no hidden agendas, no confusing jargon, and a genuine commitment to explaining everything in a way that's easy to understand. This focus on transparency builds trust and fosters a stronger partnership between BluPeak and its members. Another key differentiator lies in BluPeak's commitment to innovation that truly benefits its members. While many institutions tout their technological advancements, the focus can sometimes be on streamlining their own operations rather than enhancing the user experience. At BluPeak, technology is seen as a tool to empower members. This means intuitive digital platforms, seamless mobile banking experiences, and access to cutting-edge financial tools that are designed with the user in mind. However, this technological focus doesn't come at the expense of human interaction. BluPeak understands that technology should complement, not replace, personalized service. You have the convenience of digital banking at your fingertips, combined with the reassurance of knowing that human support is readily available when you need it. Furthermore, BluPeak often operates with a different underlying structure than traditional banks. Many are credit unions, which are member-owned and not-for-profit. This fundamental difference in structure directly impacts their priorities. Unlike banks that are driven by shareholder profits, credit unions like BluPeak are focused on serving the best interests of their members. This often translates to lower fees, better interest rates on savings and loans, and a greater commitment to the financial well-being of the community they serve. This member-centric approach means that decisions are made with the members' needs in mind, fostering a sense of ownership and belonging. Think about how this member-centric philosophy translates into tangible benefits. It could mean lower mortgage rates that save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. It could mean higher interest rates on your savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. It could also mean more flexible loan terms that better suit your individual circumstances. These aren't just small perks, they represent a fundamental difference in how BluPeak operates and who they prioritize. Beyond the individual member benefits, BluPeak often demonstrates a strong commitment to community involvement. They understand that financial well-being is interconnected with the health and prosperity of the local community. This can manifest in various ways, such as supporting local businesses, sponsoring community events, offering financial literacy programs, and investing in initiatives that make a positive impact. This commitment to the community goes beyond simply having a physical presence. It's about actively contributing to the social and economic fabric of the areas they serve. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Can a financial institution truly be that different? In a highly regulated industry, there are certainly similarities in the core products and services offered. However, the execution, the priorities, and the underlying philosophy can create a significant distinction. BluPeak's emphasis on personalized service, transparency, member centricity, innovative technology with a human touch, and community involvement are not just isolated features. They are interconnected elements of a holistic approach that sets them apart. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a financial partner who understands your goals and is working actively to help you achieve them. Imagine the confidence that comes from clear and transparent communication, knowing exactly where your money is and what you're paying for. Imagine the convenience of cutting-edge technology combined with the comfort of knowing that human support is always available. This is the experience that BluPeak strives to provide. So, the next time you feel like your financial institution isn't quite the right fit, remember that there are alternatives. Remember that there are institutions like BluPeak that prioritize people, transparency, and community. It's worth exploring these differences and finding a financial partner that truly aligns with your values and your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.